Okay. Right. I still haven't clue how to start these things. Right. So. Now I also have a problem with, because I haven't streamed in a while, so that's just adding to the thing. Luna8413, thank you for following. I have a feeling you're one of the Lunas from Fetty. I think. I mean, not Lunas are in Fetty, I suppose, but you know. Shit. Oh, for fuck's sake, Automod. Alright. Ah, I see. Automod, what the fuck? Like, you. You are. Sorry. So, hi, Alice. So, sorry, Luna. I have the thing with Steam Elements where it deletes messages with links, just in case. Hi, Luna. Good morning to you. Right. Yes, there are a lot of Lunas here now. Right. Let's get to this thing that I was doing back then. So, going off of my this, I can guess that I was marking on textures. Let's see where I was. Oh no. Sure. Time to bust out the render dog. I'm gonna lower this a bit and increase this a bit. So, how are you all doing today? This Saturday, yes. I'm very scatterbrained as always, so you know. Let's see what's going on. So we are just looking into the inner workings of the render and seeing what the fuck is going on. Okay. This is good. Yeah, this is also good. Let's see into our. We have our image. Just look up. Head hurting. Oh no. I hope you feel better, Luna. Alice is EP and I assume the and I assume the last the second is to or it's too complicated. And the other Luna is also, I assume, sleepy. So that makes me the only non-sleepy person. No, not very sleepy, at least. Right. Didn't sleep much last night, so I had to catch up. I see. Wait, isn't it like 6 p.m. for you. I'm assuming it may be just 5 p.m. I'm just going off of the 7. Oh wow. I didn't expect that. I mean, I should be the last person to judge. But sorry, I may not be that easy, but I'm just trying to be not composed well enough. Let's say that. Not composed well enough. No, that doesn't sound good. I mean, it's not supposed to be sound good, but like, I mean, come on, I just want to view this image. Come on, I just want to view this image. I'm stupid. No, am I? Okay, here's this image. So, so this thing isn't working. For some reason, it's bugging out. Let's see. We are using the the tested PNP image. And yeah, this is supposed to be just 0, nothing. But as you can see, there is something here, a lot of something. Well, not here, here. So this, so it's just red. And this is just, I don't understand. RGBA. I mean, technically, they both should be identical. So, So, let's see. Perhaps it is how it is. Projects. I have way too much stuff here. So we are looking at this image. Let's see if. Nope, it is correct. That pixel is just has 0 opacity, and bar here opacity is displayed. So it is correct. Okay, good. So we just need to figure out why the fuck we are just turning just right. So this is what we are seeing. This is the cube we are passing in. This is the cube we are passing in, and after it goes through the vertex shader. This is what we receive. This is our camera, and as you can see, yeah. So let's look into that. So for that we are going with the event lib, and don't want it's it's not a bit of a mess. It's very much a mess. It's a big mess. It's 1,500 worth, 1,500 lines of code worth of mess. But you know, it's fun. So camera. We are looking. Our camera is located at 0, 0. That makes sense. So we are gonna keep. Oh, that doesn't make sense. So what's happening? We are looking. We are located at 0, 0. Excuse me? No, this should be. This should be fine. What? How's this? How's this even? How's this even possible? Like, so we are. Excuse me? Oh, by the way, server. I think I just hit the microphone with my left. With something. Right. So what we are defining is that we are placing our cube with its just transformation defined by this object matrix. As you can see, transform matrix Euler. We define our translation, scale, rotation, and this. It should be at. Why is it at 1? We don't need it at 1. So we are placing our cube at 0, 0, minus 3. Our camera is located at 0, 0, as defined by this vector. Its up is minus 1. Excuse me. Its up is, well, vector 3 up essentially. And it's looking down the z minus z coordinate. And in theory, let's pull up Blender. Camera. No, I don't need your but here's the camera. Its rotation is 0, 0, 0. Let's see, like this. Yeah, it's looking there. And the cube. Of course, because Blender is stupid. I see. I see. Wait. Sorry, I'm a bit stupid sometimes. But both of them are a bit of an underestimation because I'm very stupid a lot of the time. Which may be overestimation, but it's fun. Let's shrink our cube. a bit and see if it works. Well, it doesn't work. Except for UVs, but one thing at a time. I'm assuming it's UVs. Oh, this is driving me insane. I can't handle this. So, what we are expecting to see is to see. Never mind. I am once again being stupid. Come on. So, let's see. Let's see if I am being stupid. Let's try inverting a wavefront up between projects. Too much stuff. Definitely too much stuff here. But excuse me? Weird. Let's try inputting again from under assets. Okay, here it is. Yep. And if we open our image in here, actually now it should be fine. There isn't supposed to be. There isn't one face that is entirely in one color. So something is wrong with in here. I'm assuming. What is going on in here? Whatever. Let's see. So a few things could be happening. Either we are not loading our UVs correctly, or those UVs getting mangled in the vertex shader, or something, the fragment shader. But it's color, I think. But this is looking fine. Vertex. This is still looking fine. Let's see if we are loading our UVs correctly. That looks fine to me. That looks like all the correct data in here, and this is the exact same data. So it should be fun. It should be, but it isn't fun because. Okay, so let me know that it is an issue with our fragment shader. Wow. Hi Deflux. How's it going this Saturday? Let's go to GitHub and see how there are into the WebGP examples. And let's go pinch some. Let's go pinch some. Some simple. Simple. Shader code. Let's go into here, and in here we have our data output. And stuff. We have more data, and then we have our texture. So sample the texture with the texture sampler increase. Is that a standard function? GSL. Let's see. Sample texture sampler, texture sample, texture sample. Yep, that is a default function, standard function. And here we are doing this mess. So, we're gonna need to mess with our bound groups. We have a sampler. I used to have a sampler. Let's go into our initialization. That's our state structure. Its new function. Let's see. So I'm going to turn this up, I think, a bit. Buffer spectrum. In our state, we have a texture somewhere over here. We should have texture. Or do we just not use it? So we just write the texture into the queue, and no, we write our texture and it's just in the bound group. I see. Okay, so we need to alter our point curve layout. And in our fragment text shader, we need to add another point curve layout entry. and we are adding a sampler. And it just takes a sampler. Okay, and we need to create a sampler. I think it's expected as sampler binding type. Oh, I see. Sampler instead of number GPU sampler binding type. Is it to a wrapper that API doesn't look familiar? So yes, it's a sort of wrapper around basic around but around other graphics APIs like a Vulkan, DirectX, you know, stuff like that. Was based on a single copper. Yes. So but it's almost in the same level as those other APIs. And yeah, I think everything I use still required you to use RGL. Oh yeah. RGL is not that bad, honestly. I think, based on my experience, WebGPU is a bit lower level than that. Although a lot higher than fucking Vulkan. And there you need just more than 1,000 lines of code worth of boilerplate to even get a simple triangle. Can I give you criticism? Sure, Deflux. Where was I? I think I was somewhere. Right, I have created a bunker out. Then I need to create a bunker. Here we are adding another engine. Oh no. And this is the second binding, and it's a thing. It's a sampler and just needs a reference to sampler. It's hard to hear what you're saying because you do not fully articulate the words you're saying. Can you give me an sorry for that? Can you give me an example? Like, not. How does it sound to you? Are some of the phonics cut out because of the filtering I'm doing, or something like that, or I'm not sure. we need to create a sampler. So, sampler equals, we need to get into our device. We need to create a sampler. So we pass a descriptor. Honestly, trying to understand what you're saying. But only getting parts of the sentence. But it's okay. I just say try to use the full ability of your eyes to listen words. I think I'm gonna have to go back into the VOD and see and hear the thing. Which is not gonna be fun because repeat. I do not enjoy my voice. I need to do a lot of work on it. A lot. Filter mode. Magnified. Magnification. Effect when used. Sure, let's go for nearest. Hello, how are you? Hi Black Dragon. I'm doing pretty good. I think I have finally figured out why this wasn't working in joining. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. I spent I had to skip quite a few streams over the last few weeks, and yeah. So I don't think I streamed coding in like a week. How's it between my pop levels? Let's go linear here. That minimum clamp. Sure. Let's see. 1.7 1.7 and 1. Compare none. I'm using traffic clamp. Let's see. 1. And then we need to get into here and pass in our sampler. And I think we now add a sampler, and we add a sampler, I think. Oh, expected less than or it's just sampler. see. Oh, I see, because, yeah, this makes sense. Of course. I mean, you can use keywords as things. As variable names. Texture sample. It takes in a texture, which is our texture. We use our texture sampler, and then we give it our UVs. And I think this should work now. I hope. What's going on? Validation error. What's going on? Okay, caused by 20 point main and isn't valid. Operate an image sample. Unable to operate an image. Oh, I see. I think I know the issue, so shit. Can we do this? Index, yeah. And we need to serve that. And we go into our texture. And we disable this. I think we do this. And in our next thing, we change this to this and see if it works. I think. Infinity binding, yeah. And in our binding, I set it to be format. Okay, I see. RGBA 32. Oh, for fuck's sake, this is gonna. Can I do? Can it automatically convert the thing for me? Please, people. Oh, and we need to go into our view. But scripture format. Oh, I see. GPU texture format. RGBA 32 flat. And we need to make it a sum. Still clicking binding. Already. So where else do we have you in this green texture? Okay. I think this should work. I hope. Are you kidding? Where? What binding do you look like? It's texture. It's a texture. Configured surface. Bunker play out. So yeah, it's a float. Yeah. And let's go into here and add a few things. Just to narrow down where exactly we are. Okay. I'm going to find layouts. I think this is what you were talking about, difflux. And then our we'll see. Yeah. I'm going to deal with this later. Okay, still happening. So it's happening in the integration of this. In the creation of the bunker playouts. So we create our bunker playouts for this. And we create this for binding. I see. I think this was just stupid. Just a stupid little error. It's fun. It should function now, I hope. Okay, good. It did function, but you know, it didn't function. And why is it? Oh, it's doing that thing again. Yes, sir. Let me check this. I was looking in my busy thing to install a thing which didn't work, sadly. And in the process, I discovered that one of the things I had in my computer, it wasn't plugged in. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say that I was hoping to see, like, even better, a better temperature of my computer. Yeah, no. It's at 72 degrees right now. No, around 65. This isn't. But it's not my computer, but rather my CPU, but not good. Very much not good. Very, very much not good. Okay, let's see. Where was I? Right, I was there. So, we are gonna hack this thing. And we can go into our thing. And we are gonna bump up the size of the thing of things. Instead of starting U8s, we are gonna start F32s. So what this will do is do a thing. And it still works for some reason. Oh, right. We need to do this by this right here. Okay. Now it should function. Excuse me? It just crashed. Oh, I see. Size mismatch in both mark. Okay, let's do one of those, and it's going in import parse 167. Okay, I see. Oh, I see. 100% see. Oh, thank you for following, Black Tonguing. Did I ask you how you were doing? I think I did. Sorry if I didn't. Or if I did. My memory is, not 18, let's just say that. Okay, this makes sense. So, okay, I see. So, we chunk our data. I see. I see. I see, yeah. This makes sense. By the way, what metric to use? So, Here you go. I am using i3 with Python and Python, Palabar, and Graphene. And I, of course, use Arch, by the way. And the terminal means kitty. Right. Nice. I mean, yeah. In case you're interested in the configs, I have a, sorry about that. I have a .files repository on my GitHub. I also use kitty. Awesome. Yeah, it is really nice. But I use Hyperland and A3. Is it? No, Sway is the I3 thing on Wayland. I really need to switch to Wayland. Same here, but with left FM. It's not a. It's a window manager, not a radio station. Sway is the Wayland I3. Yes. So what we are gonna do here is we are gonna do a bit of a mess. I think we are doing this mess. Let's share. I need the expecting terminal of foot. I personally, but as you know, I use kitty. The reason why I use kitty is for these awesome ligatures. I love my ligatures. Like, look at this. Or this. Or this. Or this. You know, you get the point. And I'm also using. Yeah, ligatures are awesome. By the way, these you see this this thing, this bar? I implemented this in this font. I am using the Monocraft font, and not to brag or anything, but I contributed quite a bit of code to that. Yeah, I contributed a bit of code, but to the Monocraft font. Yes, that font is created with a Python script. Well, I say Python script. It's 700 lines long, so you know. I also like Kitting for how it handles things, for how it has the image particle, like being able to just show images in the terminal instead of. Can you explain, please? I have what? How do you do this? Like, I can't. Kitten, I assets, determine distance apart. I see. Oh, you can also do this. Is this, I think, RT? Oh wow. Ew. Can you access that can you access that API through code? Like, can I, for example, in my Rust code, in my code to print ln assets. Do a thing and it's taking me to this website. Let's see. Ooh. T. Yeah. I mean. Okay. There gotta be a. I'm needing to dig into this. It's taking me on the website. I think it's just special shape code. Is to show different colored text. I've seen someone use tarantula scares acting in the terminal, for example. Ooh. So, interesting. So, this is good because, I mean, I can, instead of having chat here and underneath the terminal, I can just have I can just write I can just make chat here in this terminal instead. And this point, I don't have to have a separate window open for it. Hmm. Ideas. Anyways, back to doing this first thing. I do this. Oh, of course. Never. I acquired a cat. Oh. She isn't very talkative, sadly. Or, I guess, thankfully. Hello. I sure hope you can hear me. Oh, she's so awesome. She's so fluffy and warm and just awesome. And she's not, and then she's biting my hand because, I mean, you can't be a cat and not bite hands. I need to make a cat cam. But the problem with it is I have no clue where she will be next, so. So true. Yeah. This applies to cat girls too. So please do bite to be a cat girl. No, you're so adorable. If you don't have anyone to bite, I volunteer. I just saw that MPV is a bird too. MPV. You have MPV. I don't have MPV. I use VLC. We need to switch the thing, the playlist. I can go for a bit of this. Oh, let's go into this. Always nice. No far. This is always nice. No far. Can you relax, please? You were so eepy a moment ago. And I'm doing just the first of destruction. Right. Where was I? Why do you bite my hands? And she's not licking them. Because of course she is. Can I eat Nova? You can eat me instead. Oh, topic of having to chat in terminal. And getting graphics protocol. Oh, sorry for that. I really need to disable this. I don't care about that thing. Ooh. Switch to your eye. Interesting. Thank you. But, I would really like to write my own thing. I mean, you can probably guess by me. By me writing my own game engine, but not exactly a game engine. My own thing. You can guess that. Guess that. I like to do things myself. And prefer to do it myself. Right, where do I disable this? I'm going to disable this. Where is this thing? Where is this thing? Okay, here it is. Okay, good. Can someone try to send a link again, please? And it's not working because I see, because I'm stupid. Because I am very much stupid. No, Val, what do I need? Okay. Alrighty. Into, can I do this? This is janky. There's a better solution. There gotta be. Of course. I'm stupid. I'm just stupid sometimes. And then we get that issue, of course. Lights. Bytes per and we have 30 bytes per no, not 322. Okay. Okay, this makes sense. So we are writing into the texture, which has the size. And here our texture end up overriding the size of the thing. A texture texture as image copying. But where do we define the zones? I'm not sure. Where does that number come from? It's happening in here. Texture dot on. Texture dot on. Yeah. I'm not sure where this is coming from. Point groups. But where is this coming from? There is no buffer. We are not defining the sound of the texture. So, copy of 0 through whatever this number is. The bounds. I see. Let me do this. Oh, of course. Because it's 4, but it's 4 by 4. It's 16, not 32. But I suppose this is progress. I can't basic monk for some reason. But in my defense, I was mirroring F32. Oh, and this is going to lag. No. Sorry for that. So in my defense, I was thinking that we are sampling with the float 32. So therefore there's, but it's amount of bits, but the amount of bytes in the single pixel is 16 because it's one float is 32 bytes, which is 4. No, one float is 32 bits, which is 4 bytes. And then we have 4 colors per pixel. So that's 4 by 4. This is 16. Hi everyone, also hi Kimmings. I hope your engine is going well. But there's, why is FPS so abysmal? What is even going on in here? And why is this going so? What is going on in here? So something is going wrong because we are running a simple cube. But faces, but polygons, and vertices. That is nothing. In your average game, you are handling millions of polygons, millions of vertices, and having FPS. have that. Why is there no resources? What's going on? Okay. We have our swaption image. This is our image. What? What's pointing right now? So, what's pointing right now is the image loading slash somewhere along that image processing pipeline, because it's not supposed to be black. So, I'm trying to see what's going on in here. And it's not allowing me to open the thing. Please allow me to open the thing. I just want to open the thing. Now, this other thing is this. I'm wondering, is this just Arca build release? I'm wondering if it's just, oh no, this, oh fucking hell. No, cargo built up, like, all of the resources. Oh fucking hell. Yeah, as you can see, CPU is not doing great. My computer is struggling. I was going to say something. I think. Yeah, here's our texture viewer. Oh yeah, here's our texture. So as you can see, it's black. Because no, but what are you doing? No. Stop biting my feet. No. Pizza munch. Never. Gotta cry. No, she can't eat. Wait, no, she can't eat. She can very much eat my hands, though. And she is eating. And now she is eating. Now he's doing on the bars in the GPU, removing the texture data. Thank you, Nova. Nope, the FPS is still very much trash. So let's see what's going on. Yes, as you can see, the numbers are very low because I'm being stupid, and this one is on me, on Steam. This one isn't on me. I thought I had this. Excuse me? Yeah, yeah, this one is on me. Because I'm defining them by 156 two times, and, you know, we are transferring the numbers from the, no, we are just doing cargo run without the IDs part. Yes, and it is not working. It's just playing into the background. So let's alter this a bit, and we are, and in here, instead of test.bmp, we are going to be loading lahar.bmp. This is fun. This is fun. This is completely fun. I am not upset. I'm not upset. I'm simply not upset. Not upset at all. Not at all. Not at all. I'm a bit upset. Not gonna lie. I mean, so it happened in the image thing. Thing 17. Yep. And that is because, but it, how's this even, how is this, you are insane. This is impossible. I think, how is this, as you can see, it's fun. It's being displayed right here, but it's not fun because it's not fun because it's, let's see. Yeah. Do we have our alpha colors? I assume so. No, we don't. Do we? We don't have our alpha. So let's try to export this. There's 2 bits in RGB. Export. Discard changes. Block high. Right. And okay, let's see. And this is working. Let's adjust our sampler. Instead of going into nearest, we are going to go for linear. We don't want pixels. simplifying expected filtering fonts. During... I see. Filtering. Filter. True. I do love this album. I do love this album. Yeah. Texture binding is your expected simple type. I am giving you an RGB flag. It's not. Thank you for the sip. I'm not highlighting nowhere near enough. So you are taking an RGB F32 flag, and it's supposed to be filterable, but it's not. This is true. This is okay. Sampler. Let's get into our sampler. We do filter, but sampler. It's a filtering sampler in our texture. It's filterable texture data. It's in the format of 32 flat, which is yes. This is probably way too loud. I think this should be better. Right. Texture descriptor. Usages. Yeah, it should be fun. It should be completely fun. After adding the texture, it's in your icing in the bunk application. You should be fine. So, interior, yeah. No fall. I made a stupid mistake. So instead of doing this fucker with converting things, we can just do this. We can just do RGB UNAR. RGB UNAR. RGBA UNAR. I'm upset. I am very much upset. I am upset. I am upset. I've said that I'm upset because I'm very much upset. I'm upset. I am upset. I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm upset. Excuse me? Oh, I see. Okay. It's working. The cars until you come here because becoming upset is a really bad idea. But I'm not upset. I'm just I'm upset, but not majorly so. I'm I'm just upset that it was such a simple fix. I went through all this BS to achieve a worse result. I don't care. It's fun. It is completely fun. And I'm out of tea. Be right back because my fucking voice is. Okay. I will make myself some more tea and drink a bit of water. No, but don't take that, please. Okay. Welcome to Wings. Thank you, Shrika. Oh, gee. Hmm. Hmm. Please, don't use your claws. Welcome back. Thank you, Luna. We need to figure out this thing. I mean, how do you refer to each other? How do you refer to each other when how does a group of Lunas refer to each other when in a group? Like, I mean, like, like even in a with 3 Lunas. We need to get on it. By the way, this sounds so much like like this sound. By the way, this piece right now, this current, it sounds so much like Florence Price. Like, I could have sworn that initial bit was written by Florence Price. Like, oh my god. Like, though I suppose it may have been other American composers. I just listen most to Florence Price out of all classical American composers. Like, it really does have that feel. Like it has the feel of no, I don't need that. It has a feel of the third movement of one of her symphonies. Perhaps of the fourth, I don't remember. Like this. Both the orchestration and the melody just has that feel of the style. Never. Why do you want to eat my hands? Okay. Perhaps it's just the rhythm. Like, probably. Right, where was I? I think it's working now. So, we can do a thing. No, and do a thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we are going to commit finally. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm going to delete all of those and do this. Okay. Add texture. Routing. Add BMP loading. Okay, good. Good. And we can just discard the rest. Awesome. Let's see if it learns. Awesome. So, as you can see, by the color, it has the wonderful blue, the wonderful Blahai blue. I suppose it's more of Blahai blue, but you get the point. Actually, I suppose I should have stood up the webcam first. Or I suppose a piano/cardcam. They could show that it is indeed in the high blue color. So we are going to be loading in apply because yes, we gotta load in apply. I mean, is it even worth doing the thing if you're not gonna be copying apply? Right. Projects. Okay. And we are copying a behind a bitching in here. Let's see if we can just do this. In theory, it does work. Awesome. Let's see with Thunderdog. It has some minor issues, but you know, it's a start. As you can see, the model is loaded perfectly. I mean, it's clearly Blahai shaped. Blahai shaped. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Very much Blahai shaped. So what's happening is we didn't have a depth buffer. So when it tries to turn thing, the buffer is a bit silly looking, but we don't judge. Yes, we don't judge. So what's happening is we don't have a depth stencil buffer, and So and so now objects with any sort of depth are not very rarely. It's complicated. I'm not quite sure about how exactly it is. By how exactly it's caused, but by how it's caused are the complete effects of this thing. But I know how it's caused. But I'm not sure about the complete definitions of the side effects of this. But I know that it doesn't look good. I mean, no offense. And we also need to go into our camera matrix and transpose this to be -1 because it's inverted right now. Yes, this is what we like to see. Okay. Depth stencil attachment. So we need to add in it's in our underpass, so we are adding it into our depth stencil. GP depth excuse me. I think it's just texture. This piece too is just it's just so much flowing spice, like I'm not sure. I think it's more of the texture thing. But yeah, like it's so much Florence Price. Okay. Okay, we need to define the depth stencil right here. Depth stencil set. We need to define this right here. Format is our WebGP texture format. Texture format. Sure, let's go for this. Thread enable. But I think we just set it to true. Depth compare true. Stencil. I mean, I didn't exactly remember, but stencil is a compare function. Sure. Front face mode. Instinct. Oh, and we're already through this. Yeah, we already through this. No, don't note that. So for that, let's go for this. A bit of piano collections. Ah, I do love the sound of piano. Okay. This. Oh, for fuck's sake. Can I do a. Can I do a thing here? Yes, I can do the thing. Bias. Yeah, we can do a thing. Yep. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, this thing does. And now we need to create a depth stencil attachment. Depth stencil. And its device. Create texture. Oh, web GPU. Create texture. Text descriptor. Instruct fields. Yeah. Sure, we are gonna call this a thing. Depth stencil. Our size is our. I think we have our. Shit, I didn't know how to do this thing. Let's go and pinch some code. Let's go into the thing. Yes, this thing. Depth. It still doesn't use depth. Depth stencil. Stencil buffer. Okay, let's see. Yes. Depth stencil state. Are you fucking... Stencil buffer. Okay. It's texture. Okay, texture. I see. Okay. But how does it handle resizing? Do they not bother with this right here? Because when you resize things, you gotta... Because when you resize the window, you gotta resize the other related attachments too. Because, I mean, like if you try to render a thing, I mean, you get what I mean. I hope. Okay, it's in size. Okay. It's our size. Can we pinch it from anywhere? It's our accent 13. It's, and then this is size width as U32, I think. Yes, it is U32. Okay. Mid level count is on some count on dimension to 2 dimensions format texture stencil web GPU texture format depth let's go for depth 32 and usage is I think it's gonna be web GPU texture usages. It gotta be something like depth. It's a, I mean, I suppose it makes sense. It's a render attachment. I expect it to have a separate usage. I'm stupid a bit. Usage. And no, it's view formats. Thank you, none. I cannot do none. And we set this thing here. Depth 30 flat. And then we need to go. Of course, it's a separate format. Of course it is. This. And now we need to and in here we set it as of course it needs to be a view. Why does it take so much work to make depth testing work? I mean because this is graphics programming and this is how it is just generally. Like it's even worse with Vulkan. Like because there's just you just have to define a lot of things about how things are used. At least here we don't have to worry about memory management. It's just that we are interacting with the GPU on the very low level. Like, and the GPU is stupid when you tell it what to do. So, we are describing how exactly our textures are used, what formats they are in, etc. I remember it being easier with OpenGL when I tried that. I'm glad I don't have to go through the pain of Vulkan. Speaking of being a Vulkan, they wanted to see a fun thing. Let's go in here real quick. Let's do a little bit of this. In this project, there are 3,000 lines of code. All it does is render a simple model. It was back in when I was using Visual Studio. Our main file that deals with Vulkan is 1,721 lines long. This 1,721 lines is mainly just boilerplate. Let's see. Let's check out this commit. And see. Oh, ready? This may be a bit too early. think it was somewhere. Yeah, as you can see, there is a lot of things. It's like 1,000 lines of code of boilerplate to just basic things. GPUs can do anything but out of colors. GPUs can do anything but meow out colors with their silly smooth brains. Technically, they're not even meowing out colors, but just simple clouds. Cute love. Cute love. Cute love. Cute love. Thank you. Right. Right, I was here. We need to do a thing. And we need to just... We can do just this. It's so easy to make her. Thank you. As you may imagine, I'm a bit self-conscious about like everything I do. Like everything. So yeah. It's expecting an option. Under past stencil attachment. Okay. So in the view, we are getting our depth operations. No. I'm going to get ready to work. Goodbye. Okay, Lunan. Hope you have not a terrible day at work. Operations. We are not going to get any operations in here and here too. This should work. Dimension Z is 0. Excuse me? Okay. Can do this. What do you mean? Dimension Z is 0? like, we are doing this. We are creating buffers. We are creating our mentions. Buffer. Here are the two information buffer. Okay. For the step extension, but for the process only the extension I see. I think we need to do some we need to do we need to do some operations. We need to, I don't care about clearing the depth extension buffer. And in this tar we are putting in sure. I think. Okay. So we can clean the depth extension buffer when we load it and okay. And it's progress. It's a bit of progress. And just a bit. I think it's a configuration issue. Compare function. Always. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Right. I need to do purchasing. How to resize a texture. And then don't worry about this. Texture. I think we are going to repaint the texture. Okay. So when you set the thing, we are going to create this thing. So define is create texture. Okay, so instead of doing the thing every time, we are gonna start a thing. We are gonna add a structure. Depth stencil. And it's gonna contain a texture. which is just a WebGP texture, and a descriptor, which is a WebGP texture descriptor. Oh, for fuck's sake, it needs light tone. Why do you need light tone? Ah, fine. Here you go. Here's a light tone for you and a light tone for you. And we do this. And do this. You need a light tone too now. Sure, here you go. Here's your light tone. And what? And live tuned allowed. Live tuned allowed. Is there a solution? Can do this. Please, just let me do the thing. Just let me do the thing. Okay. 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 Okay, we do this. The descriptor is descriptor. Okay. Step steps and select up texture. Create tips. Texture. Descriptor. And passing a reference to this. We create a view like this. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This isn't right because the descriptor includes the songs of the thing. Is this need to put in this? I think it is. Yes, it is mutable. Descriptor size equals. We create a new extent 15. Okay, we can do this. Okay, now this should work. So we alter the descriptor and create the texture. And as you can see, it's not perfect resizing. Okay, so we need to think greater. I hate depth stencil. I hate depth stencil. I mean, we can look into this part. We can search up some text. Depth stencil. Function is order. Okay. Less. Okay, this should work. In theory. Back into the thing. Into underdog. Which keeps crashing me for some reason. So we load our thing. And let's see what's going on. Let's see. The depth is there everywhere. Yeah. This is how it's supposed to be. By the way, this is very interesting how it's going. Like how this goes up into infinity. This vertex. Just a fun thing. Just going off into infinity. Far beyond the clip plane of the viewport camera. Like it's just so funky to see. Like it looks perfect from here, but as you pan out, it just and perfect highlight here. So what's happening is that our one point under the index under. So what's happening is I have to do what is happening. That is the thing. Substanceless thing. Depth for the enable format. I'm not sure what exactly is happening. As you can see, the depth buffer is just It's just a thing. It's never. Depth values in the depth test. Yeah, less or equal. Let's see this. Okay, why is this not working? This should be working fine. Like, it's just a thing. Just a thing. Like, it's a thing. A simple thing. Depth buffer. Let's see. Hard buffer. Depth 13. Perhaps this is the issue. Under attachment. But here it's here it's different. Let's try to add let's add copying destination and texture usages texture bounding. Please just work. I can. This is not an issue. Wait, view create sampler. Depth state. Depth stencil state. There, using. What if we do this and yeah, this. Depth stencil attachment. There, clear. View stencil operations. No. Web GPU start. What do you mean? What is this? Okay, let's clear the depth stencil just in case. I mean, we don't really care about it. But you should be here. Start up. Did they change it? Yeah, they did change it. Thank you for the sip, Blackthorn. I forget to hydrate. I'm gonna be honest. Like, way too often. Joke death. Thank you for following. I am a bit of a mess, not gonna lie. But this code is also a bit of a mess. I mean, it's... Okay, I see. So, what's that the issue? It's still... Hi. Hi, Jacob. Hope you are... How are you doing this Saturday? Why is it not working? What if I just set this to true? I didn't... Okay, now it's working. Okay, good. It is not working. As you can see, we have this perfectly looking block. I mean... Oh, awesome. Just awesome. Okay. I'm going to be quick commit. Okay. And now let's see how stupid I am and what Clippy thinks of me. Oh, not that bad, honestly. Can you know hug the behind? I mean, sure. Not sure if you can hug this one. But if you have a behind hand, like I do, feel free to hug your behind. It's very important to hug your behind. Okay. Right. Right, let's fix all the things Clippy is yelling at me about. Okay, import PNP. Okay. We can do this. It stop scaling at us. There. Looks for function things missing our section. Missing our sections. Okay, so it's just ducks. Let's parses a byte array as a PNP image. structures. Depends if the file isn't 32-bit or has multiple color planes. Oh. How do I do the thing? Oh. Is this how I do the thing? Okay, this is how I do the thing. 28. Let's use 32. Arca 6. Allow 13. Arca clipping. Whatever, I'll just do myself. Actually, I don't care about this, so I am gonna I'm gonna allow cost possible location. I don't care about this one. Oh, of course. It's shipping. Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? I'm doing the thing. Why are you not allowing me to use the thing? You are allowing me to use the thing. Of course, to add a semicolon here. Okay. And in here, I think we can do this. Okay. Not a king. So, first things first. I have an option. I'm going to omit this one. Oh. Interesting. Sure. Okay. We have fixed the creepy complaining things. Earnings. Okay. Why are you starting to push? Whatever. Let's see. How big is it now? Not that bad. Okay. Next up. Next up is me ending the stream because I've been streaming for 3 hours, which is I think it's my target. I think. Yeah. So yeah, I am gonna be ending the stream right here on a high note. Because I mean, like, we did the thing. We sort of did the thing I set out to do, but I mean, I didn't set out to do anything. But I did set out to do something, but not something specific. So yeah, this is awesome. We can now proceed to doing the thing. A thing. The thing. Some sort of thing. Rendering things. Okay. Back to the thing. The string thing. We are going to do a thing. Oh god. A thing. Some sort of thing. Right, we are just going to be writing our good old settlers. Who streams like C# and things like that. Game dev into that. Right. Settlers. Okay. Okay, so I should do some things. No, like, there are some streaming admin things that I should be doing. Not sure. I think yes. Please don't play the sound. Please don't play the sound. Okay. Please just mute. By keeping things for the stream. Have a good one, Trigger. Well, I suppose see you in the Celtics chat. Oh, come on. Sure, whatever. So yeah, I'll be back on Monday. I hope. I really hope. At around the same time at 7:30 p.m. UTC +3 or 13 UTC. It was nice to see you. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. So thank you all for being here, for tuning and for chatting a bit. And it went